We often say that PM Narendra Modi is known for this one thing, that he does not put up everything in words, because he believes on this whole concept that action speaks louder than your words, and that is what he's truly living up on the entire thing. Well, there's a breaking news coming up right now in front of us. That is that India has also imposed 30% tariff on American goods. It's not on all the goods, but some of the goods. And in that list, first one is the yellow peas, which has been produced from US on heavy amount in India right now. It's not only about yellow peas or things like that. It is about that India is actually putting up tariffs on the most agriculture related products which US have been exporting to India, because US have been trying from so long to get in the market of India, but they have not been successful. And that was the whole reason also. That was one of the actually reason why he also imposed 50% of tariff on India, because they wanted the access of agriculture and dairy products, but India did not give it to them. So that is why it was all happening. But this time, India has not just said that no, we are not going to give you the access in our market, but also going to put up the retaliatory tariff on you. And that is how India has been taking revenge. Now what will happen? Now the showdown begins, because Donald Trump is going to be beaten up because of the entire matter in the entire United States, because he put up so much tariff on India. And after that entire thing, US have been going through an inflation, because in the entire US market, 60% of the small products would have been given from India only. It was actually exported from India only. But now that the tariff is 50% out there, nobody is able to buy anything, since India has also. So if you are being put it up with 50% of tariff, if you're selling one thing of 10 rupees, of course, after 50% of tariff and everything, you will be selling that entire thing of 40 to 50 rupees. So that margin is something which people are unable to cover it, even after the fact that US dollar is much more higher than Indian rupee. Even after that, people are so much devastated out there that they're not buying it. And because of that, India is getting another buyer as well. India is getting Russia, China, Central Asia, now Middle East, Ethiopia, Oman, and then Jordan. But on the other hand, US is not getting products, because they were getting it on a very cheaper price from India. Now they have to go to another market and buy those stuff, which starts from pharmaceutical, garment, agriculture stuff, then jewelry, and so many other things. Now everybody knows that US are looking up for an eligible market price and everything. So everybody is also putting up things on a little much more expensive, or should I say on higher cost than it was getting from India. So in that entire scenario, India did not lost anything as such, but US lost it like anything. And that actually became a problem in this entire scenario. But now we could see this one another thing as well, that how India is also taking the entire revenge. Well, it is not a revenge, but it is more of like India wanted to take the advantage of the entire position, because US President Donald Trump has been claiming and putting up so many false rumors against India and PM Narendra Modi, and have been possessing us, have been controlling us entirely. So India is like, you wanted agriculture, now we are going to put up 30% tariff on your stuff as well. So if this is going to be the thing, then US has to come up with a thing that they will stop trading with India. And now if they'll stop trading or lessen it up, this will happen that if the trade between both the countries will end, it is not going to only devastate the market of India, it is moreover going to devastate the market of US, because India has a big population. It is one of the second largest populous country in the entire world. And on the other hand, China has the largest population. But even after the entire scenario, China wouldn't buy so many products how much India used to buy. So that is the whole problem where US will get into a trouble. And that is what US President Donald Trump didn't see coming. He thought that PM Narendra Modi is chivalrous enough. He is not countering him on the statements which he's giving him and all of that. So he thought it's going to be like that only. But PM Narendra Modi and external ministers have changed the entire scenario. And they have put up this whole thing that if you're going to provoke us, we are going to provoke you back. And now you must be thinking, why India is doing it now? Tariff have been imposed on us since a very long time. Why they didn't do it at that point of time? It is only because at that point of time, India did not have a lot of buyer and a lot of market. But now we have Japan and so many other buyers, because PM Narendra Modi has been continuously making its own trade deals and also making up business partners and everybody. So in that scenario, it is much more easier for them now to put up retaliatory tariff with US, because when the tariff is higher, the demand gets less, and in that scenario, either the person reduces the entire production and export, or the other person reduces the import and everything. So in this scenario, only two things can happen, and that is how it has been happening. So, in that entire thing, let's see what happens later. But India has taken its revenge from US President Donald Trump, and let's see how it rolls up for India. That's all for today. If you like such videos, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment Global Shark. And also, for such geopolitical scoop whoop, do not forget to hit the bell icon out there, which has been given below. Thank you so much for watching us. This was Shri Chitranshi signing off.